my followers, my subscribers, my fans, family, my fellow agriculturists, and also farmers around the globe. If you have not watched the first video I made concerning, if you look to my right here, you will see I have seedlings. I have sachets of sand which I've already put, and some seedlings are already inside, and then which we are waiting for them to start sprouting. You don't understand? So what is there is, if you look closely in this video, you will see I showed us in the first video how we're filling these sachets with sand. You don't understand? We fill them up to an extent. These are like just, and then inside this video you see where we started transferring them from where we were filling them with sand to this other place. For now, somebody will be saying, "Asa, why are you keeping them here?" No, I am keeping them here for now because the place I want to use as the nursery, I need to clear it. You know, understand? So, but for now, it go they make just the day here, and then once it is cleared, arranged properly, I will not take them to their nursing house. You know, understand? So that is what is there. So if you look closely, please, if you are here to, you want to understand, you want to know, you want to go into farming, you don't really know, or you want to go into nursing, seedlings, you want to know, please, there are things you need to understand in this particular video. We're done with the filling of the sand, and here now we are now transferring them down to this place. You know, understand? Transferring them down to this place so as to ease the work. There are so many here. I think there are about like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like there are so many, if not 50, so if not 60 something or thereabout. You don't understand? But there are many here outside the ones which we are transferring, which you are seeing as we are transferring already. We are transferring them. All these ones you are seeing as we are transferring are new ones which we just made today. So we already have so many of them here already. So, but these are the ones we are transferring today to this place. So please, you want to go into farming, please go. No get reasons, no con detail say the orgami are the way to, I don't really no. Go into it. It is rewarding, it is profitable, and it is profitable. You know, understand? So please do it for yourself. And one thing we farmers used to say is secure your retirement. That is just the motto of every farmer. Secure your retirement, because if you are able to secure your retirement by putting all these things in the ground, Papa, you will see that even when you are retired, you have something to fall back to. You know, understand? So I showed us. I'll still take you guys through the process of my own farm, which I have not taken you guys to by reason of one or two things. The videos I've been posting before now, I told us there were videos from my previous account which were disabled. So, but for now we are shutting them down for now, and then we are making more new videos. You know, understand? So that we can hit with YouTube standard, which is the landscape kind of videos. You know, understand? So what is there is, if you look closely in these videos, you see we have so many. All some they already sit inside. The new ones which I'm just transferring from where I fill them up with sand to this particular place, which they are yet. I will still take you guys through the processes of the seedlings which I'll be putting inside. You know, understand? So please, if you have watched this video to this extent, and then you find these videos informative, educative, and above all what engaging, please, what you do for me and for you and for every other person who comes to this channel is to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new videos like this, and you are hooked. You understand? So please, you have watched this video to this extent, that's to say you are getting along with my videos. So I'll see you guys in the full video of this as we transfer these things to this place. You know, understand? So till I come your way again, it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Emeka and Josie Agri. Bye.